All right, y'all, we're back. It is February 8th, about 10:15 in the morning, and it's already 53 degrees. So I'm gonna go out for a hike today. Just something small, nothing too major, with a good lookout. So let's go. All right, y'all, just got on the trail. This is a 2.7 mile in and out hike. There is a fire tower. It's definitely a little chillier here, but still very beautiful. Trail is really rocky and muddy so far. I'm glad to be outside. It's been a while, so let's see what we can find. This mile is definitely taking me a lot longer than it should. I just keep stopping to look at everything. I can't help it. It's a beautiful place. All right, y'all. Yeah, I stopped and filmed the sign telling me which direction I needed to go, and I went the wrong way. Now I need to go back uphill and get back to that sign and go the right direction. What a silly, silly move. Oh well. I think this is what threw me off, is because by the sign there's a yellow marker, and I saw that and I went directly towards that. All right, here we are, back at the sign. All right, y'all. Well, I'm really glad I came up here to the fire tower. It's been great. I noticed that my camera memory card is almost full, so I'm just gonna end it here, put the camera away, enjoy the hike down, and get home. See you on the next one.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas.